Hi students, Mrs. Gerber here. As you can see, I'm still on Christmas break. So I'm making this video right before we're going to start this unit. And I thought it would be fun if I actually made a video to show you how to make a mask. What do you mean make a mask, Mrs. Gerber? Well, we have to wear them all the time, and they're not always very fun to wear. So I thought we'd make some fun. So I'll show you now. Hi students, so here it is. I'm going to show you how to do this. First, you will need to look on your screen and find your 9-dot navigator. You might not have a cute avatar like this, but you will see the letter of your first name right there. From the 9-dot navigator, you can go to Drive. And then as Drive comes up, you're going to be looking for the New button on the left-hand side. After you have found New, then you're going to be looking for the word More, and then that brings up our Google Drawings right here. So I have it up at this point, and you'll see that up in the upper left-hand corner, we need to title this. So we're going to call this Selfie with a Mask. So you need a camera to take a selfie, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Reach up on top of your monitor, that's the screen that you're looking at, and there's a smooth spot right in the middle. Can you push down real lightly and up will pop your camera? Good job. We are now going to look for the word Insert. I've shown you where the camera is. You're going to click Insert, Image, and all the way down here to Camera. Since your camera's been opened, it'll show up like this, something like this. So you're going to take a nice big smile. And there it is. Do you see how it's highlighted in blue? Because it's highlighted in blue, I can click Insert and it will take it directly into my drawing. Now that we have our picture in the drawing, look, there's two of me. You're going to wait until it is all selected and see this little square? It's going to help me pull my picture to fill the entire screen, just like that. There I am, my bright smiling face, so I didn't think you needed two of me. Now let's find our Shape tool. It's right here, square and a circle. We're going to go to Shapes, and I found this one I thought was cute. We're going to choose that. Now, with the the plus sign on there, this is making my drawing. And so I'm going to draw right over my face like that. Oh, that looks pretty good. Hi, now you can use these squares on the side and make a change if you need to fully cover the face, or make it a little bit smaller. Like that. Nice, huh? This is a fill color that we can change with this picture right here. So we click on this fill color. Let's choose that purple that we like for Sago Lily. And there we go. Now we know that a mask doesn't stay on all by itself. So let's come and use this tool that allows us to choose Scribble. This Scribble, and again the plus sign, allows us to make some lines. There's one that looks like it's connecting around my ear and around my bottom of my face. Like that. I can't see those very well. Can you? This is a good thing to learn. Choose your selector button. It looks just like your pointer arrow. And that allows me to select some things. There's one of mine. And I'm going to change the width of my line to an 8. Yeah, I can see that. And the color of my line to something bright and fun, like yellow. Here you can see in this view that I have made my elastics for my mask very bright and yellow, but now I have this space right here that I can do some fun things with. So let's find Insert again, Image, and you can search the web. After we have typed in something we're looking for, we can select an image, and as soon as we see the check mark, we use that Insert once again. And it's going to come in quite big, so I'm going to size it back down to fit over the shape of my mask. And I can make this mask as funky as I would like to. Okay, some adjustments. Now, that looks all right, but let's do something one more step further. Let's click on our image, and up to the crop, we can choose a shape. We can choose that same shape that we did before. Now it's just a matter of resizing it how we like to. And the reason I didn't do this right at first was because I wanted to be able to draw on this mask, and I'll show you another one. And that's it, our finished mask. And this one shouldn't be of any surprise. It's labeled Dr. Seuss. That's all, folks. See you later.